I'm going to show you how to use the app iMovie, which is a paid app, but there are many different things you can do with it. Start by pressing Create Project. I'm going to show you how to do a trailer today because there's a bunch of different templates to use. It's a little bit shorter and it's more primary friendly. First, your students are going to pick a certain theme. So I'm actually going to show how to make a book trailer for Weird But True Facts. You can press play to see what the trailer would be like. But I would caution you by saying that you want to maybe tell your students, look at maybe 2 or 3 trailers that you might want to do and pick from one of those. Otherwise, your students might want to go through and watch all the trailers and not get started on their project right away. Just a heads up. So I think I'm going to pick teen for this one. When I'm ready to choose, I'll hit create. Then it says name of the movie. I'm going to call it Weird But True, since that is the title of my book. And hit done. You can change some of the things in here, but I typically don't have my students do that. Then you're going to go to storyboard. Wherever you see one of these frames is where you can take a video or a picture. So this is in the very beginning. So I'm going to click. I'm going to do camera because I want to take a picture. And it's going to get ready for camera right here. So I'm going to move it. I'm going to put my book here. And I'm going to take a picture of the title. When I'm ready to take the picture, I'm just going to press the red button here. It's actually recording because it's on this right here. If I didn't want that, I could click it and I could hit delete, which is right here. I can go back to camera and I want to make sure that my camera is on the camera. So now I'm just taking a picture. You can tell the difference because camera is a white circle and recording is a red circle. There we go. Now it's up there. I'm going to keep going and I'm going to take pictures or videos for each part. Now you'll see that there's some places where there's text. So it says high def films. If I wanted to say something else, like Pinata Films, I could do that. Students might want to go through and type in the text first to kind of outline their trailer. So I might want to write, "It's weird, ... Maybe I want to write about there being 24 pages of facts. Maybe I want this one to be about a certain page, like learning about Big Ben. So I could type in Big Ben. And I could type in certain pages that were appealing to me, like Big Ben, Caterpillar, and so on and so forth. So now I'm going to finish taking some of my pictures. So this one says it's weird. So maybe I want to do an actual video. So I'm going to go here and maybe I just want to flip through some of the pages. And it'll stop me when it's run out of time and I'll go to the next one. So maybe I want to flip through some more pages. Okay. 24 pages of facts. Maybe I want to do some pictures for this one. And maybe a picture of this fact. And this fact. And this one. When you want to see a preview of your video, you are going to go to Done, and you can watch it right here. So let's watch it quick. And I'm going to pause because this shows that I have not finished creating yet. But your students are just going to continue creating their trailer in the same format that I was showing you before. When you are done with your project, you are going to hit the square with the arrow, which means save. You can hit save video. You can save it as HD, and it will export the movie to your device. You don't want to interrupt it as it's saving because you want to make sure it saves properly. But that's how you use the trailer version in iMovie.